Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Ram 1500 Laramie. This one actually has a good amount of little aftermarket goodies. Hydro blue pearl coat? Yep, pearl coat. Gorgeous spec on this truck. Nice suede Alcantara inserts. I mean, look at, you have what looks to be accent lighting throughout. I mean, just absolutely gorgeous. This, I believe, is actually like a cooler. This, I believe, you can just fold up. This one has a Borla exhaust system, which does sound very, very good, as well as the split tailgate. The plate's mounted right on it, so I'm not really going to demonstrate that. But to drop it like normal, you do this upper one. To split it in half, you do that one. It's so humid out, you can see the AC working overtime. But hydro blue is the color to get on these trucks. They are gorgeous. A little over 12,000 miles on this example. Look at the interior on this thing. Do have the original window sticker. 5.7 Hemi, 8-speed automatic. When new, total price is $60,070. Sport appearance pack, bed utility group, which is the spray and bed liner and stuff like that. Laramie level 1. Sweet. Come on. And then you also have that, which I'll... Nice. Let's go for a drive. Take it on our test track. Alpine sound system does sound great, but personally I've been enjoying listening to this exhaust. My dad actually has a 2017 Rebel with an aftermarket exhaust. Not sure exactly what is on it because we bought it with the exhaust installed. It doesn't have, you know, Borla on the tips or anything like that, so might just be a mid-muffler delete. We don't know. But I will say this sounds extremely similar. Oh yeah, that sounds awesome. Hemis always sound good. I'm an FCA, well, Stellantis now. I've always been a Mopar, that's what I'll use. Mopar guy. You know, as you know, my personal car is a Challenger, so although that might be changing soon, which it might change by the time this video goes live, I might have put in an order on something special. Although I don't want to count my chickens before they hatch. I love the 2019 refreshed Rams. Oh, they're beautiful. Definitely, I don't know, pretty close with the F-150 for my favorite. If you go Rebel TRX versus Raptor, probably gonna go TRX just because Hellcat motor, and Hellcat motors are fun. But I have yet to drive the new Raptor and the new TRX, so if I'm going TRX versus, or I should say Rebel versus previous Raptor, I swing Raptor, but in terms of, you know, just mid-trim trucks, I'll swing Ram. So these sound awesome. They really do sound good. You gonna swing around? Nope, you're staying there. Good. These are just comfortable. I mean, I could daily drive this all day. I could easily put 300 miles on one of these. Ventilated, heated seats, heated steering wheel. I mean, every single feature I would want is in it. I can't complain. And yes, you can get a much bigger screen if you want. But this is perfect. I think, what is this? It might be an 8.4. I know it's an 8.4 on my Challenger. I'm not sure if it's the same basic screen. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.